down here, it has quick install accessory. So just 4 screws, you just go to the wall, so it can install it. And this is the front part of the wallpack. So this is one type of lens. We can do another type of the lens is just like the traditional wallpack line. For this kind of lens, the transparent rate of lumens is much more higher. So it can do 130 lumen per watt or up to 150 lumen per watt. Right now for this new type LED wallpack light, we can do at least 120 lumen per watt. So the wattage of this wallpack, it is 30, 40, 60, 80 and 100 watt. We build with Lumen LED chip 3030, so if you have any demand of this wallpack, you just